Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to test your internet speed. All right, let's begin. First, open your preferred internet browser on your device. In the search bar, type speedtest.net and press enter. This will take you to the Speedtest by Ookla website, which is one of the most popular tools for checking internet speed. Once the website is loaded, you will see a large Go button at the center of the screen. Click on this button to start testing your internet speed. The test will begin by first measuring your download speed. After that, the test will measure your upload speed. Once the test is complete, both your download and upload speeds will be displayed on the screen, along with your ping, which measures the connection's response time. Higher speeds generally mean better internet performance. So that's basically how you can test your internet speed. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.